Sovereign SLMs, why small models are the new gold. The era of bigger is better has hit a wall. In 2026, the elite aren't just renting massive compute, they are owning their intelligence. Sovereign SLMs are the secret weapon for those who demand total data privacy and sub-millisecond latency. We are moving the brain from the cloud to your own secure edge. Welcome to the era of sovereign intelligence. Today, we are breaking down why the world's most innovative firms are pivoting from massive LLMs to high-performance small language models. In 2026, the new gold isn't just data, it's the ability to process that data locally, privately, and at a fraction of the traditional cost. Let's run the cost-benefit analysis. While frontier LLMs are great for general knowledge, they are often overkill for specialized, high-frequency enterprise tasks. An SLM, typically between 3B and 7B parameters, can match a giant model's performance in specific domains while costing 90% less to operate. This efficiency enables agentic orchestration at scale. You can deploy hundreds of specialized small agents for the price of one massive, general-purpose query. We are talking about inference at the edge. By running these models on local hardware, you eliminate the latency and security risks of the open web. This is the sovereign shift. When you own the model and the hardware, you own the intelligence. No one can throttle your access or peek at your prompts. Think of a frontier LLM like a massive library, while an SLM is a specialized technician standing right next to your machine, ready to act instantly. But how do we fit a 7B parameter model onto a smartphone or a factory floor sensor? This is where the magic of quantization comes into play. We are essentially compressing the AI's weight without losing its wisdom, allowing frontier-level reasoning to live on a device in your pocket. To make an SLM truly sovereign, it must live where the data is born, on the edge. This is the hardware-software handshake that defines 2026. We achieve this through advanced quantization. By reducing the precision of model weights from 16-bit to 4-bit, we shrink the memory footprint by 75%. This isn't just compression, it's optimization. Modern quantization techniques ensure that the model loses almost zero intelligence during the shrink. Now, a 7B parameter model that once required a data center can run comfortably on a standard enterprise laptop or a high-end mobile chipset. This hardware awareness allows for local token flow. The AI responds in real time because the data never has to travel across a crowded network. Edge devices in 2026 are built with dedicated AI neural engines. These are specialized circuits designed specifically to accelerate the math of SLMs. When the software is quantized to match the hardware's native precision, we see a massive jump in performance per watt, making 24/7 local AI sustainable. This is the edge advantage. Your AI is always available, even in a basement, a remote oil rig, or a secure military environment with zero connectivity. Because the model is local, we can implement flash attention kernels that are tuned specifically for your device's memory architecture. We are effectively turning every device into a private, high-speed intelligence node that operates independently of the global grid. The true power of a sovereign SLM isn't just that it's small, it's that it's specialized. We achieve this through fine-tuning on long-secrecy, private datasets. Most frontier models are trained on the open web. They know everything about the world, but they know absolutely nothing about your specific proprietary engineering. By taking a base 7B model and fine-tuning it on your internal documentation, we create a specialist that understands your company's unique technical DNA. In 2026, this is done using parameter-efficient fine-tuning. We only update a tiny fraction of the model, making the process fast and inexpensive. This creates sovereign domain expertise. Your local model can now troubleshoot a custom manufacturing line with more precision than any general-purpose cloud AI. Crucially, this data never leaves your infrastructure. The training happens locally, ensuring that your trade secrets stay behind your own firewall and encryption layers. We are moving away from prompt engineering and toward knowledge distillation. We are distilling the wisdom of your veterans directly into the model's weights. This specialization bridges the gap between general reasoning and industrial application. It turns a generic chatbot into a mission-critical piece of enterprise machinery. The result is a model that is 10x more accurate for your specific niche than a model 100x its size. This is the new definition of AI ROI. But a specialized brain still needs a body. Our final act is exploring how these local, expert agents actually perform tasks through privacy-first agency. In the final stage of our roadmap, we move from specialized models to autonomous agents. These are privacy-first loops that reason and act without a cloud connection. A typical AI waits for a prompt. An on-device agent, however, enters a reasoning loop, where it iterates until it achieves a specific goal you've set. Because this loop happens locally, the agent's short-term memory is always under your control, never exposed to third-party logs or surveillance. Imagine a local agent performing a financial audit. It can securely browse your local spreadsheets and private emails to cross-reference data points in real time. This is zero-latency agency. Since there is no round trip to a server, the agent can pivot its strategy in milliseconds as it discovers new information. We implement local tool calling. The model can execute Python scripts or query local databases directly, essentially giving the AI hands to work with. The privacy by design advantage is total. Your agent can handle your most sensitive passwords and API keys because they never leave the physical device. This architecture enables ambient intelligence. Your local agent can quietly monitor factory sensors, only alerting you when a specific safety policy is met. By 2026, these local loops are the gold standard for high-security industries like defense, healthcare, and executive finance. The transition to Sovereign SLMs isn't just a technical upgrade, it's a strategic fortification of your company's digital autonomy. You are no longer a tenant in someone else's cloud, you are the architect of your own private intelligence infrastructure. This is where the ROI becomes undeniable. You eliminate recurring API costs while gaining a permanent asset that appreciates with every local fine-tuning. The roadmap is complete, from the hardware of the edge to the secret sauce of private data and the finality of local, autonomous action. Start by identifying your long-secrecy data. This is the foundation of your sovereign model and your ultimate competitive moat. Small models aren't just a trend, they are the liberation of enterprise AI from the constraints of the centralized cloud. In 2026, the most powerful AI in the world won't be the biggest one, it will be the one that you alone control. Stay sovereign, stay secure, and keep building for a world where your intelligence is truly your own. The Sovereign SLM era has arrived. Your gold is in your hands. Let's put it to work. Mastering the 2026 roadmap doesn't stop here. For our Spanish-speaking innovators and deep dives into Europe and Latin American tech landscape, join our sister hub at Experto TIC. Knowledge is power, in every language. Channel powered by generative AI architecture.